Thank you so much. So thank you for these fine academicians who are visiting with us today. So what we want to talk to you all today is really about the higher education. What should prospects be expecting? How can they succeed in academia? Any advice? Like you said, you had corporate experience, then you have academia experience. Any advice you can give? And that's why we are here today. Okay, so I will start with Dr. Adarevo or Dr. Antonia. So you say one of your role is in the OIR. How do you find that?
Office of Research, Institutional Research and Effectiveness.
Okay.
OIRE.
Okay. So for international students, because we are trying to gear a little more towards international students,
Yes.
what does that office play as far as attracting or catering to international students?